In this video, we're diving deep into Smartsheet, a tool that promises to streamline your project management process. Whether you're managing small tasks or large-scale projects, Smartsheet offers a versatile platform to help you stay organized. From the get-go, Smartsheet has an intuitive interface, resembling a spreadsheet, which makes it easy to start using for anyone familiar with Excel or Google Sheets. You can create tasks, set deadlines, assign team members, and track progress in a visually appealing format. The platform supports various views including Gantt charts, grid view, card view, and calendar view, which are all customizable based on your project's needs. One of the standout features is the ability to automate workflows. With simple triggers, you can set up automated notifications, task assignments, and status updates, saving you a lot of time. There's also strong integration with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, which makes collaboration seamless. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Smartsheet offers several pricing plans depending on the size and needs of your team. For small teams, there's a basic plan that includes core features, but for larger teams or enterprises, you might need the more advanced plans, which come with additional capabilities like enhanced reporting and extra integrations. The mobile app is another feature worth mentioning. It's not just a companion app, but a fully functional tool that allows you to manage tasks, collaborate, and track progress on the go. For remote teams or anyone who needs to keep track of projects while out of the office, this is a great option. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. These links are not related to Smartsheet directly, but they can help you with productivity, project management, and software tools. Overall, Smartsheet is a powerful tool for managing projects, especially if you're already familiar with spreadsheet-based workflows. However, its complexity might be overwhelming for smaller teams or individuals who just need basic project tracking. That said, if you're managing complex projects with many moving parts, Smartsheet could be a great fit. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and product breakdowns.